Find everything you need for a professional car wash from home with WeatherTech's Ready-to-Wash Complete Set. Let's take a closer look. The Ready-to-Wash Complete Set features a 5-gallon bucket with a GritGrate to trap debris, a vented lid seat, and a rolling dolly that locks into place. Plus, it comes with everything you need to wash and dry your vehicle. Just add water. TechCare Gentle Car Shampoo and Wash Mitt will work together to lift dirt, grime, and grease. And when you're ready for a break, MittSaver will keep your mitt from getting lost at the bottom of the bucket. Once the grime is gone, you can use WeatherTech's WaterBlade to reduce drying time by whisking away water. Soaker can then absorb the rest for a lint and streak-free dry. Make an at-home car wash simple and convenient with WeatherTech's Ready-to-Wash, Just Add Water Complete Set.